To graph the equation of y equals 2x plus 1, we are going to find several points that the line of the equation passes through. And the points on the line are solutions to the equation. So, let's find solutions to y equals 2x plus 1. To do this, let's find the values of y when x is 0, 1, and minus 2, which will help us complete this table. First, to find the value of y when x is 0, we are going to substitute 0 for x. 2 times 0 is 0, and this leaves only 1. So, when x is 0, y is 1. This tells us that the line of the equation passes through the point 0, 1. Next, to find the value of y when x is 1, we are going to substitute 1 for x. 2 times 1 is 2. And 2 plus 1 is 3. So, when x is 1, y is 3. This tells us that the line of the equation passes through the point 1, 3. Next, to find the value of y when x is minus 2, we are going to substitute minus 2 for x. 2 times minus 2 is minus 4. And minus 4 plus 1 is minus 3. So, when x is minus 2, y is minus 3. This tells us that the line of the equation passes through the point minus 2, minus 3. Now, let's plot these 3 points in a coordinate system. After plotting these, we can see that the points line up. So, let's draw a line through these points and put arrows on both ends of the line. And this is the line of y equals 2x plus 1.